As someone who is currently studying for Part 3 of the CIA exam, I want to help us figure this out. And you and I are in the same predicament trying to study for this test. Welcome to Becoming Boss C. How long should you study for CIA exam Part 3? The true answer depends on your study style, your professional experience, your past work experience, your familiarity with taking standardized tests, and the type of study materials you have and are using. Let's say that you have a course like the Wiley CIA Exam Review course, which comes with video lectures, one practice exam, a book, focus notes, and a test bank with hundreds of practice questions. Before we break the study time down, do me a favor, subscribe to the channel and like this video. Based on my experience, it takes roughly 19 hours to get through all video lecture content, about 65 hours to read the study book, estimating over 900 pages at 4 minutes per page for reading and comprehension, 7 hours to read all of the focus notes, 2 hours to take one practice exam, and 6 hours to answer 300 questions at the standard 72 seconds per question, all for a total of 100 hours of studying. Now, I admit that this estimate is probably very conservative and a little too high, as many study time ranges show that 85 to 95 hours of studying is safe to pass Part 3. Again, this is my conservative estimate, but it may be different for each exam candidate, depending on your experience as an internal auditor, your reading pace, the type of study materials that you have, and your lifestyle. So comment below, I will pass Part 3. I know you will. Becoming Boss C is here to motivate you, encourage you, guide you, and study with you. Check out my lecture videos with practice questions and mini lectures. Let's finish strong and become certified internal auditors together. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to Becoming Boss C if you have not already. If you already subscribed, thank you so much and stay tuned. We are on the journey to 1,000 subscribers. A little about myself. I have my master's in accounting. I'm a former external auditor at a Big 4 accounting firm where I worked in various professional industries and earned my Certified Public Accountant or CPA designation. I transitioned to internal audit in 2020 and started pursuing the CIA designation that same year while working full-time. I am a daughter, a sister, a friend, a woman, a professional, and a human being who wants to contribute to society by creating and sharing educational and informational content. So I appreciate your support. For more ways to support this channel, you can like this video, subscribe to Becoming Boss C, and turn on your post notifications by clicking the bell below. Then consider sharing this video with other aspiring certified internal auditors. Lastly, there's another way that you can support this channel monetarily in the description box. It's been a pleasure. Stay blessed and stay bossy.